society about the child abuse. In the different ways in our society, this awareness is going on, and awareness not given much. Therefore, we take initiative. We go to city to city. Our volunteers, our staff, well-wishers, we all go around. The different city. Last week we had in Margo, in Panchim, and 19th we have it in Panchim. There we are going to finish off and in the day program. We are working with these children, orphans, orphan children, slum dwellers, rag pickers, and we are working with them last 28 years. In the initial say when we found the children from this place, they were rag picking. They did not even have a birth certificate. We had a lot of challenge, but we had a lot of people from the government supported us really. So we are able to work the last 28 years. And the last program we have a governor, we had all these ministers. Now vision to see every child out of poverty and getting a better future. That's all our vision. We are working on that. We ask your support in this regard. Thank you.
अवेरनेस कॅम्पाक 19 दिसाचो ताणें कॅम्प घेतलेलो आनी आमी सगळे जाणां अलशदा ही एक NGO आसा जी बरी काम आसा एक पयलींच ISO सर्टिफायड NGO आसा आनी ह्या क्षेत्रान म्हणजे चायल्ड एब्यूज नाल्यार वेगळ्या वेगळ्या क्षेत्रान खूब बरें काम करता आनी खंय तरी तुमी जशें म्हणलें आज जरी ताचें प्रमाण कमी आसलें चायल्ड एब्यूजाचें पूण इतलेंय कमी ना की नेग्लिजिबल आमी म्हणूंक शकना सो सरकाराचे खंय तरी लॉज आसतले ताचे बद्दल हें करपा खातीर पूण खंय तरी भुरग्यां भितर एक अवेरनेस हाडप म्हणजे भुरग्यांकूय कळपा जाय आपल्याक कोणी हात लायता नाल्यार आपल्याचेर कोणी अत्याचार करता आसतना बाबा तो बरो आसा म्हणजे वायट कोण बरो कोण वॉट टच कळपाक वॉट इज गुड टच बॅड टच सो हे सगळे अवेरनेस आज अंधश्रद्धाय करता आनी आमचो लॉ बरोबर तांचोय सगळो जी टीम आसा ती भुरग्यां भितर अवेरनेस करून तांकां खंय तरी कोण एब्यूज जाल्यार तांचे खातीर सेंटर्स तांणी ओपन केल्या सो एक बरें तरेचें वातावरण ते चायल्ड एब्यूजाच्या कामान ते निर्माण करता आनी हांव तांकां शाबासकी दिता की बरें काम तरी हांव सरकारा कडेन मागता ह्या क्षेत्रांत चायल्ड एब्यूजाचेर जाता तितले आनी कडक लॉस करपाची आमकां गरज आसा ताणें की चायल्ड एब्यूज हो परमनंटली काबार जाता
I know Al Shaddai does a very good job in this direction. That's how recently there was this Garsham Award in Goa itself. First time they held their function in Goa where Honorable MLA Daji Sarkar also was there. Honorable Governor also was there. In fact, Al Shaddai they had an award for doing this human service. Ultimately, a child is the future of any society, their parents, the country and the state also. So we cannot allow any child abuse at any cost. But you know how society is. While there are good people, there are sometimes a few bad elements, and that's how you have something called pedophile, and it has manifested in ugly form sometimes. We have to ensure the safety for our children. We should see that they are never abused. Norms have changed in modern times where you cannot even touch a child. We know when we were younger how much pasting we used to get. You also must have experience. Now in the changed world, not only we have to sort of encourage children to do all good things, explaining to them what is bad for them and convince them. So we have to spend quality time with the children. Only then they will listen to you. But at the same time, the authorities concerned should take the strictest action against any child abuse that is reported, and this is what has always been done in a state like Goa, and I hope Al Shaddai continues doing the good work.